Want to improve your English while doing household chores? Today, we'll learn useful cleaning and organizing sentences used in everyday life. Let's get started. I gather my cleaning supplies. I gather my cleaning supplies. I shake out the doormat. I shake out the doormat. I scrub the bathroom tiles. I scrub the bathroom tiles. I wipe down the furniture. I wipe down the furniture. I vacuum the rugs and corners. I vacuum the rugs and corners. I scrub the kitchen sink. I scrub the kitchen sink. Since, I rinse out the recycling bin. Since, I rinse out the recycling bin. I wipe the bathroom mirror. I wipe the bathroom mirror. I remove cobwebs from the corners. I remove cobwebs from the corners. I clean the window tracks. I clean the window tracks. I wipe the stair railing. I wipe the stair railing. I sanitize the door handles. I sanitize the door handles. I wipe down the light switches. I wipe down the light switches. I organize the pantry shelves. I organize the pantry shelves. I polish the faucet until it shines. I polish the faucet until it shines. I gather the scattered papers. I gather the scattered papers. I clean around the houseplants. I clean around the houseplants.